Hello, everybody out there in social media land. It's your personal injury attorney, Derek Bernstein, here to answer more legal questions for you. Today, I'm here answering a family law legal question about what does a divorce lawyer cost? What does a divorce lawyer cost? So it really depends on where you're watching this video. If you're watching this video in Hawaii compared to New York City, compared to Miami, compared to where I am in St. Petersburg, Tampa Bay, Florida area, it can really vary. But it really is a multi-tiered look at it. It's one, what does the attorney charge per hour? And then two, how does this person actually build up a case, right? So for me, I don't like to make a war until we have a war, right? Until we can get through some things. So I'm relatively conservative until we don't need to be conservative, right? What that does is if everything's going smooth, you're doing your time sharing back and forth, he picks them up from daycare, drops them off, everything's great, this is working out fine. They're doing their parenting plan, you're doing your parenting plan. All these things are great. We don't need to be billing. But if they aren't, then yes, you need to do motions of compel. You need to do contempts. You need to do temporary supports. You need to do all these things. So what does a divorce lawyer cost? Really can range, but you want to make sure that what they're doing actually is making sense and they're not starting fights. Like you see, I want that pit bull pit bulls cost more because they're doing more. There's more fighting, there's more emails, there's more texts, there's more calls, all those things, more hearings, that costs you more. So a divorce attorney should cost what is necessary to get what you're looking for and be reasonable in what you're looking for to let you know, hey, if we go this route, probably gonna cost you this amount. If we want to fight, if we want to do this, if we want to go to trial, let people know if you make 30 grand, you can't afford a $100,000 trial, right? So I need to know that. We'll get those information, give it to you and say, this is how we can attack this so that you are getting the value for your money if you have limited funds, which, hey, we all pretty much have limited funds, right? So a divorce attorney can range from $250 an hour all the way up to I've seen $800 to $1,000 an hour. So don't just look at those numbers. Find out what kind of person it is. Find out their finances. Do they have to just bill you over the head? I've seen that a lot. Really do your research before giving your hard-earned money to somebody and make sure they have the same ethics and same mindset that you do before handing your money over to them. So it's your personal injury and family law attorney, the Bear, here asking you to keep those questions coming. LawBernstein.com, Derek at LawBernstein.com, and I'll keep answering them for you. Have a good one.